right, we are out here in Grenada. Brother-in-law. I'm sorry, y'all. I forgot your name again.
Tara.
Tara. Okay, and the wifeikins. And I don't even know where we are. That don't matter right now. Let me just try not to die. I'll let y'all know where we at once we get there. Okay. Well, life is an adventure. This is what I signed up for. I wanted to get into this.
Don't touch that, eh?
It feel like it rained up here.
Reggie, don't touch that tree.
Oh, do you mean the cactus tree? Why? Because of the spikes?
Yeah.
I'm being sarcastic. Oh, did y'all see that giant worm right here? The millipede? Look at that.
Oh, that's a
It got like 1,000 legs.
Congo.
Oh, Kongori? Okay. I'll just leave him right there. Here's a nice rope for me. It felt like it rained up here. Nice. Yep, that's her. Mm-hmm. Wow, I got like 2 full trips in today. Concord Falls and now this. Yeah, this morning. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like crazy.
Right. Yeah, that makes a difference. It's less slippery. Just want to give y'all an idea of exactly what this place looks like. Basically a rainforest, it feels like. Is this what they call hashing?
Hiking.
Oh, hiking? Oh, I know Nezel says hashing. Hiking, hashing. One thing I love about Grenada, there's no bears. There's no bears. That's a plus.
Tell her what shoes got that you cover. Oh, okay.
Babe, please be careful.
Yeah.
If anything happened to you, Letitia gonna kill me. Oh, look at you, Laurel. Okay.
Ooh, wow.
What was that?
It almost fell.
Oh. You okay? Oh, okay. Don't worry, if it make you feel better. I slipped too, but nobody saw it. Y'all was all facing that way. I didn't say nothing. I played it off well. What? What? Get out of here. No way.
This is what all the walking for.
Now where are we? What is this called?
It's called
Welcome
Welcome Rock.
Rock. Okay.
These rocks been up here for years.
I've never been here before. I've never been here before.
Well, if it makes you feel better, me neither.
Come take a picture.
Wow. Oh boy, if you scared of heights, do not come up here. Look at this. I'm starting over here.
Is there people living in that little piece of island?
Yeah, I see a house.
I see a house.
Yeah, people just go there.
Oh.
Yeah, you probably have people living there. Stand
Stand
up.
up. I wouldn't do it if I were you.
Take it standing up.
I'm gonna sit down.
There's not. Just stand up. How are you scared?
I'm not scared.
Oh, you got
I'm scared.
You can see me sitting down.
I can't see you.
You lie.
Wow. This gotta be the best view I've ever seen in my life. We is really up here. Yeah, let me get a picture of you, babe, over here.
Okay.
A minute. Don't go too far out there.
It's scary. Okay, you gotta be fast. Is it in portrait mode?
Put it in portrait. Yeah.
Missed it. We got carjacked and now we're stranded some bandits came out the bushes.
Don't do that. Right.
No, I'm joking. No, we're just going for a walk. That's all. My non-joking wife, always so serious. Oh, cool. Get over here. Hey. So let me ask you, do anything about me screams tourist?
No, you okay?
Okay. Alright, you sure? I mean, I got the flag on all over me and a souvenir around my neck that don't scream tourist. Grenada's spoiling me. It's like all day I've been hitting all of these different spots. Jeez. I woke up to Concord Falls. Didn't even eat breakfast. I'm up there at the falls. Then we was basically on top of the world, and now we down here. One of the best days ever. How you doing, sir? All right, what's the name of this beach? Bathway? Oh, okay, thank you. You know the name of those islands? Do they have names or no? Oh, okay. Oh, that's Grenada Island. So, Carriacou is nowhere near here, is it?
You can't see Brooklyn, but in the far distance.
Oh, like way down there. Yeah, it's like behind the clouds kind of. Okay, thank you. Wow, Carriacou is far. He said it's way down there, like behind the clouds. You see the silhouette. Yeah.
There is a rock.
Yeah, he told me what he got named. That's Grand Island. I forget what the other one is.
But this rock, the sea water, you can't go behind.
Oh, there's a rock right there?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay,
You
gotcha.
can't go behind the rock.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Right? I see it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now let's go move a little closer. I'm not getting in the water though.
That's sand.
Yeah. I see you. Baby, this is your land. This is you. Do you understand how beautiful a place you were born in? This is amazing. I know. I would have went too. Well, I do have clothes on. These are swimming trunks I'm wearing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But I don't want to go without you though. Let's go skip along the beach.
down on the picture with you.